Welcome back, Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. I'm in my garage painting up the Jinx Express by Tom Daniels. I decided to do this one in gold. I'm gonna see if I have any flame decals, because I'm thinking about putting some flame decals on this, along with the decals that come with the kit. And these are the colors I use. It's a TS21 Gold Tamiya with I used a Field Gray TS78 for a primer coat. So I don't have any primer right now, but it's a good flat base color. And yeah, I kind of was thinking about how the you know, all the gold is not in California, but it's in Fort Knox. So that's kind of my base on this one. So hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. All right. Uh, um, Thanks for watching Doug's Model Garage's videos, and remember, keep those glue chips going, and keep that plastic gluing together. All right, and remember, not for collecting, for building. So if you're going to collect them, buy 2 or 3, and then build 2, and then save the other one. So, all right, y'all have a good day. Bye.